Good morning, everybody. So, we had an amazing night last night.
Oh my god, I just got a big whiff of fish.
Babe, you totally made out as if I smelled like fish there.
No, did you not smell it?
Well, it's one of those. Disgusting.
Which one I am?
We had an amazing night last night. I'm going to put the wee video together when I'm sitting on the train for hours later. So, I'll post that for 6 o'clock tonight. You can see us winning our award. Woohoo!
It was amazing.
It was absolutely
amazing.
Still, our voices are still the same.
Yeah. My voice is definitely worse today than it was yesterday. Just keeps breaking.
We've just found a little market. Let us know how the signal is, because my phone has been acting very strange.
Very suspicious.
Very sus the last couple of days, so yeah, let's go and have a wee look. Well, I'll follow you, babe. I'll put the camera on you. There was a little audio thing that just went out saying, please lock all your valuables away from pickpocketers. This is cute, isn't it? Oh my god, look at that dog. Signal's great. Oh, that's good. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Leanne. Well, I couldn't even tell you where we are right now. Where are we, babe? But it looked really cute from the outside, so we thought we'd make our way in. Babe, tomorrow's a big day. We could possibly find out tomorrow that I am ready to go in for egg collection. Best case scenario, egg collections on Wednesday. Woo! Thank you, Louise. I know for some reason, since we had like this violation on our page over our name, Cole and Abbie, they're not pushing out our lives, so nobody's seeing our lives till after the live's done, but it is what it is.
Right, cut us off from the world.
They're trying to cut us off from you guys, that's what it is. What's that?
Truffles, £270.
What? Babe, I think this is the posh market.
This is absolutely.
I think we should get ourselves out of here right now.
It's all cheese.
Sorry, is there anyone watching that pays £270 for a truffle?
£288. That is it.
For a truffle?
Yeah. Oh look, there's them big mushrooms. Lion's mane. Trafalgar
Oh my god, that
Square.
smells so cheesy, it's making me feel sick. You're at Borough Market. There we are. We're at Borough Market, babe. This kilt is so heavy. Oh look, they love wood like you do.
Oh, they're cute.
I love wood. Oh, is this just like the foodie bit? I know, I can't either. Oh my god, that's why. There's the fish you're smelling.
Where?
It's oysters. They're eating them next to you.
Oh.
There must be an oyster thingamie. No notification. I know they're not pushing our lives out to anybody just now, but
Maybe we should go and get an oyster and you could eat it.
no way.
Oysters here. I've never tried an oyster.
Would you eat one?
Absolutely not. I'll be sick. That's what they're doing up there. Fresh oysters.
I'm not being funny though.
Oh my
Like,
god, they're all eating.
why is everybody eating them? Are oysters pop? Good morning. Hey guys, you're killing London. Woohoo! Babe, look at the size of that. Why can I hear animals?
Babe, they're
What?
all in that line, let's face it, to get randy.
Where?
For the oysters. Oysters make you randy. I think you should go and get
No,
some.
they don't.
Yeah, they do. They're an aphrodisiac.
Oh my God, I am.
They are.
Don't you listen to
I
her.
think that's why they're all eating them.
She's been a naughty lady.
Oh, babe, no.
Thank you, Jamie. It's like, this is not the markets we're used to. Babe, I'm going to have to roll my case on that
Okay,
because...
put it on there.
Oh. I'll push you, hold. Right. Abbie is correct. Abbie is correct.
See, I told you. That's why
Wait,
they're all
I
like-
missed the announcement about the award. So it's
why?
below, but it's 6 o'clock tonight. I'll post the video of us getting the award from last night. It was really good fun.
Oh, look at that. Nice,
Fresh
fruit
fruit.
and veg.
They make you saucy.
See?
Ooh, saucy.
Told you.
Well, and maybe, what are they all filming? Everybody's got their phones out. Wait a minute, I'm going to go up in the air because I'm small.
No, they're all filming. Eating the oysters.
What's happening over there, guys? Did you see? Because I didn't see.
Oh my God. Fresh mussels. That's a fish.
Wait, why are they all filming it? What's happening? What is it? Oh, look. What's going on over there, guys? Can you see?
Oh my God, I can see baby's face. Achamale!
I still can't see. Everybody's saying, oh, wow. Just say, oh, wow.
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 No, look, we're looking at all these fish.
Oh, no. God, look. Ugh.
Oh my God, what is that?
What is that?
Fish. Look at it. You see its teeth?
Sorry.
See?
It's paella over there. Remember we went
What
on
are
a boat.
they?
Remember we went on a boat trip and all there was paella. Starved that day. Oh look, that's sad. Sweet crab.
Like that.
I'm easily pickpocketed right now, like.
Don't. I've got a backpack on.
Backpack bell. Yeah, you have. Right, we're on camera, so I'll film your backpack. Babe, how do we get out of here? I feel like we're just.
Everybody's.
This is. Oh,
There's a chip shop.
Green Market. Maybe this one's for the veg. Have it
For
put
the
coal
fish.
on your shoulders.
For the fish.
You're not far from where I live. Uncanny, as my family are from Scotland. Woohoo!
Okay.
Oh, oh my God, it's raining.
No.
It is raining.
Oh, behave. I'm
God.
already bolted.
Looks busy. I didn't care where all these folk came from. It wasn't that busy a minute ago. This place through here must be the bit to be. Oh. Thank you, Vicky.
Oh, shite. Oh, this is going on.
This is embarrassing, babe.
Babe, I'm
What is it? Bread.
bread.
So is this for the
Bread,
vegetarians?
Colombian roast.
I mean, thank you, Isabel. Right, we're not doing very well. Look, we're trying to pull this between the two of us. Right, at this point, babe, I think we should try and... I think we're going into it.
We're getting deeper in. We need to get out.
Guys, how do we get out of here? Oh, right, let me just carry that. Why?
It's hurting your arm. That's what I'm buying a jacket.
So that is what's inside a London market, but it is not the type of market we expected. But since we always go live in a market, we thought, why not? We shall see later. We're going to go and try and find our way closer to our train station. Thank you, Caroline. And then I'll edit my video for later. But tomorrow's a big day, so you'll see us a lot tomorrow too. Look at them, babe. Oh, wowee. Right, we're away to get lost in London. Let's just hope and make our train. Hasta la vista.
Baby.
Oh, I can't press finish. You're going to have to just stay with us.